Hello world and welcome to the Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina. We've already done a video on this place, but it was just of the water park, so if you want to see that, head to my channel. Actually, I'll put it up here in the top. You can just click on that link. On this video, we're going to check out what they call the Grizzly Bear Suites, and we have room 3001. I'm going to show you what it's like inside, so let's go see it. Here we go. All right, if you hang to the left here, you're gonna see your first restroom. And this is for kind of like the smaller rooms for like what kids would use. And there is a fan with this, so I'm gonna turn it on, let you see it. So step-in shower. They have a toilet and some extra linens. Now we're gonna head on out into the main living area. Oh, but before we get there, here's the little kitchen area. There's no stove, but there is a small fridge and a microwave, so bring your popcorn. And a sink here that looks absolutely spotless, and a ice bucket. So all this stuff is ours, so it didn't come stocked with anything except for coffee. All right, heading over into the living quarters, this is what you've got. It's nicely decorated, might I say. Leather couches. I like that because it's easier to clean. And it's got, ours has a balcony. It was the same price for a room without a balcony. And here's your little sitting area. And it looks like the couch flips out to make a bed. So yeah, this can support a lot of people in this room. So let's head on over to like the guest area where your kids would stay. This is not the main living area. And these are big beds for kids. As a kid, I would be eating that up. So here's your nightstand. There's not a lot of light in this room, so you'll have to forgive me. And there are some USB chargers in there. Very nice decorations on the wall and a good-sized TV with a dresser and a place to hang some clothes. And yet again, you got another mirror here. But let's head on over to the main living quarters, like where the parents would be. So this is a king-size bed, and it's a whopper. Look at that sucker. Everything's looked spotless, y'all. Like, I wouldn't worry about it being dirty at all. And this has a nightstand next to it as well with some USBs. And I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, there you go. See the little bees on the light fixtures? I think that's cool. All right, so there is another nightstand on the other side as well. Same thing, USBs down there, you can see that. And here is the view out of the main living area. And as with the other room, it looks like it's the same size TV with a little mini dresser there. They're kind of small drawers, just so you know. And let's head on into the main bathroom. And again, it's gonna have some noise because the fan turns on. So there's your extra towels, your very clean toilet, mirror. It's kind of cool, it has a paw print in it, and your counter with your sink in there. And here is the bathtub for our suite, our Grizzly Bear Suite. So one thing I noticed about the main living area is it didn't have a closet like the room with two beds did. So there is a closet next to the entrance, like the door, but I think that's mainly meant for coats. So if you want to hang your stuff up, you're probably going to have to use that one. Now we're gonna head out of the master suite, the main room, and I'm gonna show you the last thing about this room. Oh, by the way, it's got a thermostat there. It's not a wall unit like that fits in a window or anything. And as mentioned before, there's the balcony. My wife and little gal are looking out over the parking lot there next to Concord Mills. And there's your view. Let's see, I'm gonna take you guys out there now and let you see it. So this is your view if you get a balcony. It's kind of a nice view. One thing I've noticed about this balcony is you can actually see Concord Mills out in the distance. Right there it is without Bass Pro Shop and Best Buy. So that does it for the room tour here for the Grizzly Bear Suite at Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina. I know it was really quick, but I thought it was a nice room. I think we'll stay here again if we can afford it. But you guys have a good day. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. And it may not be forever, but for now, it is game over.